Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and tonight is an episode for the Culinary Expedition. Today we are in Sierra Leone, where I'll be preparing Plasas. It's a simple veggie and smoked meat and some regular protein. It's a very simple recipe. We're actually going to be cooking in palm oil. Yeah, let's get to it. Got the palm oil all nice and hot. Gonna start by adding onion, garlic, and fresh ginger. All right, all the onions and goodies are ready. We're going to add about a pound of chopped fresh spinach. And we're going to cook it until it's wilted. We're going to add some veggie broth. Smoked salmon. And some kind of pre-cooked browned chicken thigh. And some peppers. We're going to bring this up to a slight boil, and then we're going to take the heat down, and so we can do a simmer on low. The Plasas has been simmering for 30 minutes. I kind of forgot to say that before we went to simmer. So let's take a look. Oh, I wish we had smell-o-vision. Looks wonderful. You can smell that smoked salmon. On to the next step. And here's the final presentation of Plasas from Sierra Leone. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Be sure to like this video and please subscribe. Have fun cooking.